Alright, F-16. Take it off, Steve. Alright, this is like the 4th flight with this one. Gears are up. Took her quite a while to get up off the ground. She was a little porker this morning. Field's still a little bit moist, and it's not really that long.
Yeah, that don't have much wing area.
No, it took it a little bit to get off the ground, actually.
Yeah.
I was right at that point where it's either commit or back out. I was running out of runway.
I was wondering if you were going to a board or...
I thought about it. It was my thumb was actually twitching back and forth, which way to go.
Yeah. I think if you did, you'd have screwed it up.
Yeah, probably couldn't have got it stopped in time.
Yeah, it takes a lot of speed on the F-16. They don't depend on the wing so much as the body. It's a lifting body aircraft.
It's a pretty plane.
Yeah.
I haven't flown it with the missiles yet.
Oh yeah. The wingtip missiles will probably be better for you.
Yeah, that's what comes with it. I don't have anything but those.
Yeah.
I might have. I can't remember if it's got a center drop tank or not.
That actually gives you more lift with the missiles on it.
Really?
Yeah.
I figured it would have just been adding drag.
No, that's the way the real one is. They don't fly it without the missiles now.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I'm just working on that thing.
Yeah, my father-in-law, he built them out at back when it was General Dynamics, you know.
Yeah, I spent 18 years designing stuff for them and teaching it. Both the flight controls, the weapon systems, combat tactics. It was a fun job. Yeah, if I hadn't had a real asshole of a boss, I'd still be there.
You know, I used to, that job I had about 350 people or so, ultimately I was responsible for. And that's what I used to tell my managers. I was like, listen, you know, you can't do nothing about their pay.
Yeah.
We're a corporation, that's a fixed window. But you can damn sure make it where they don't hate coming to work.
Yeah.
That makes a world of difference for your employees.
Yep, my boss was an idiot. He wasn't an engineer, he was a backseater on an F-4. And
He figured since he was in the cockpit, he knew more than you guys, huh?
well, not even that. He was just a jerk.
Well, I'm recording video, so if you want to call him out.
Yeah, it's just sad, you know. It's like work is usually hard enough. You don't need to make it harder.
Yeah. You know, the powers that be really got us figured out.
Yeah.
We work about double what we get for free time.
I have to teach management in the service too. It always bothers me that a lot of managers don't they go to the management training but then they don't apply it. They revert to Simon McGree.
Yeah. You know, we'd have I was there at that company about 18 years or so. We had like 5 or 6 presidents in that time.
Wow.
And every one of them would come in. We're going to McDonaldize this business. We're going to have all 30 of your locations doing the same thing. I'm like, you know, when you get 30 of the same managers, you can do that. Coming in a little fast.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go around.
Yeah,
Sitting there jaw jacking and not paying attention. But Kind of lost orientation in that sun there for a second. Yeah, they'd say, yeah, we're going to do this all the same way. I'm like, listen, you can set up the files the same way, you can put the bathroom in the same spot, but you'll never get 35 managers to conduct operations the same way. You got 35 different personalities that's unsupervised directly.
Get over this way. There you go.
A little bit of a bounce, but we'll take it. Yeah, 35 different personalities that has a different philosophy on how to treat people.
Yeah, you can standardize processes and stuff.
Can't standardize people.
And it kind of each department has its own personality.
F-16 from eFlite. Good flying plane.